Welcome to day 26 of Strength 30 Days of Tai Chi. Today's session is called Conquer Your Fears. And so fear can be a significant barrier in our lives. This Tai Chi session is designed to help you explore movements that help in cultivating courage and inner strength. So find a place to do some mindful movement. So as always, don't worry about getting the movements perfect. Just follow along the best you can. I'll be your mirror image, and you can have a seat at any time. We'll begin with the feet together or as close as you can. The hands can come to the lower abdomen. Just taking a few deep breaths in and out. As you breathe in, the belly expands. As you breathe out, the belly returns toward the spine, abdominal breathing. Just taking a moment to really arrive in the body, in the present moment. Feeling the sensations in the body, feeling the breath. And then on the next inhale, you can hold the breath at the top just for a moment, and then let it out with a big sigh, just letting out tension and stress. The hands can float down by the sides. And as you breathe in, the arms float up. They circle in front as you gather in the energy, bring it into the heart, and then send it down towards the earth, sinking the chi. Breathing in, gather. Breathing out, directing down. Nice and easy, nice and slow. One more time, sink the chi. Then step one foot out to the side, either foot. The arms float up in front to about shoulder height. The arms get heavy, floating down, the knees and hips soften. Breathing in, rising up. Breathing out, floating down. Opening the door. Taking your time. It's like your arms are resting on a wave in the ocean. The tide rolls in. The tide rolls out. One more time. Open the door. And then from here, the hands scoop forward, coming all the way up and over and then down in front of the body. Palms face up as you scoop up the energy. Gather in the breath and let it wash through the body. The bathing breath. Like we're bathing in this healing energy, giving us healing and vitality, strength and courage. One more time, the bathing breath. Then the hands circle all the way around in front. The palms meet each other in front of the heart in prayer position. Then as you breathe in, the arms open to the sides. And as you breathe out, the hands come back together in front of the heart. Breathing in, open. Breathing out, the heart opening breath. Just clearing out old stuck energy, making room for the new. One more time, the heart opening breath. Breathing in. And breathing out. And the hands float down right by the sides. And then this hand floats all the way up and across. The back of the hand leads the way. And then making a loose fist, draw the hand back into the hip. The other hand comes up. Spiraling the arm, grabbing the elixir. Other side. The dragon grabs the elixir. Going right across the body. Back of the hand leads the way, then spiraling the hand as you make a loose fist. Breathing. Gentle rotation, one more time. The dragon grabs the elixir. Then the back hand swings around as if it's gliding on the surface of the water. The other hand comes around as the dragon swings its tail. It's like you're making little ripples in the water, sending waves out into the distance. One more time. And then both hands draw in towards the heart. And then step one foot in, shifting the weight. Step out to the corner. And as you step out, pushing forwards in space. Shift back as you draw the hands in. And then push back out, pushing the mountain. Breathing in. Breathing out. Nice and easy, nice and slow. No rush, nowhere to go. One more time, pushing the mountain. And then this time the palms face up. The hands draw in, and then making two loose fists, circling the arms out and around. The fists come back up. Palms face up, draw back in, boxing both ears. Spiraling the arms, making loose fists. One more time. And then step the front foot back in. The hands come right in front. Draw them into the heart as you step in. And then step out to the other corner, pushing the mountain. Breathing in, breathing out. Taking your time, really feeling the sensations, bringing mindfulness to the body. One more time, the push. Then the palms face up, the hands draw in, making two loose fists. The arms circle out and around, the fists come up. Palms face up again, drawing in, boxing both ears. All right, one more time. And then step the front foot back in, the hands come down, they circle all the way in front as you hug the tree. Then the hands turn, one hand on top of the other. The bottom hand here drops down and tosses away. Then the hand waves in towards the center and then moves forward. Other side, toss away. The hand waves in, pushing forward, repulsing the monkey. Breathing in, breathing out. Calming the monkey mind. Nice and easy, nice and slow. One more time, repulsing the monkey. This time, toss away. The other hand circles on top as you step in. Both hands together. This hand pushes down. The other hand waves in towards the heart as you soften. Then rising up, softening down, breathing in, breathing out. This time, step out to the corner. And as you step out, the bottom hand brushes past the knee. Top hand pushes to the corner. The top hand circles down, bottom hand circles up. Coming back to the beginning, brush, knee, and push. As always, don't worry about getting it perfect. Just keep on moving. All right, one more time, brush, knee, and push. This time the bottom hand comes up, the palms face up once again. The hands draw in. This time the hands circle around, the backs of the hands face each other, and then spiral the palms back up. The mama bear gathers her cubs. So very similar to boxing both ears, a little bit of a different energy to it. Moving nice and slow, one more time, mama bear gathers her cubs. And then step the front foot back in, circle the arms in front, hugging the tree. And then from here, this hand drops down, toss away, other hand on top as you step in. Both hands together, pushing down and waving in as you soften. Rising up, softening down, breathing in, breathing out. And then step out to the corner. And as you step out, the bottom hand brushes past the knee, top hand pushes to the corner. Top hand circles down, bottom hand circles up. Weaving it all together. Brush, knee, and push. Really going for the ride. Breathing. One more time. Brush, knee, and push. This time, bottom hand comes up. The palms face up. The hands draw in. Circle the arms out and around. The backs of the hands face each other. And then spiral the palms back up. Mama bear gathers her cubs. It's like you're moving through the water. Nice and smooth. All right, one more time. Gather your cubs, bring them on home. And then step the front foot back in. Circle the arms all the way around, hugging the tree. And then from here, the arms open wide. This hand here scoops under, step in as you catch the moon, and then step out to the side. As you step out, the bottom hand floats up till the arm is parallel with the earth. And then circle it around again, warding off, expanding and lifting. All right, one more time. Ward off. This time the bottom hand scoops under, fingertips slide down, circle it around again, rolling back. Yielding, receiving, and then giving back. One more time, roll back and then toss it away. The arms float out to the side, the hand folds in, and then pressing forward nice and soft. Slide down, toss away, fold it in, press forward. One more time, the press. Nice and soft. Then the hands separate. Draw the hands in towards the heart and push. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time, pushing the mountain. And then sit back and open, wipe across the horizon. Take your time as you step in, catch the moon, step out to the other corner, and as you step out, the bottom arm floats up until it's parallel with the earth. Other hand floats down, circle it around again, warding off. All right, one more time. This time, bottom hand scoops under, fingertips slide down, circle it around again, rolling back. Really tuning into the sensations we normally tune out. This time you can toss it away. The hand folds in, pressing palm to palm, shift the weight forward, slide down, toss away, fold it in, press forward. One more time, the press. Then the hands separate. Draw the hands in towards the heart and push. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time, just like the ocean. The tide rolls in, the tide rolls up. Sit back, open, wipe across. This time we'll do each movement one time. Grasping the bird's tail, step in, catch the moon, step out, ward off. Roll back. Toss away, press, release, draw in, and push. Sit back, open, wipe across, other side, grasping the bird's tail, step in, catch the moon, step out, ward off, roll back, toss away, press, release, draw in, and push. Sit back, this time hug the tree, bring it to center. And then from here, the arms open wide, the hands float down, the backs of the hands face each other. They float up the midline of the body and then drift out to the side, the fountain. Breathing in, rising up. Breathing out, letting go. We learn to move like water, soft but powerful. One more time, the fountain. And then reverse direction with the arms, circle in front, hugging the tree. From here, both arms drift over to the side, floating down, and just drifting side to side like tall grass in the breeze. Nice, gentle sway. Then shift all your weight over to one side, tap the heel right out in front, like you're testing out the water. Step back in, shift the weight, other side, tap the heel. All right, this time tap the heel, the hand comes over the foot. Other side, tap the heel, hand over the foot. This time, hand over the foot, other hand in front of the heart, playing the pipa, the Chinese guitar. Other side, tap the heel, hands come right out in front. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time, play the pipa. Then step in and hug the tree. Step one foot out a little bit wider. From here, the arms open wide, the wrists cross down low as you soften down. And then as you rise up, the arms open overhead, floating all the way out and down, gathering the energy from the earth, giving it back to the sky above, harmonizing yin and yang, creating balance and harmony in the body and mind. All right, one more time. Harmonizing yin and yang. Then reverse direction with the arms, circle in front, hug the tree, step one foot in a little bit closer, and then from here the arms open wide, the hands float down, palms face up, one hand on top of the other. This hand floats all the way up and over, and then down the center line of the body. Other side, breathe in as the hand floats up, breathing out, centering, calming the heart, calming the mind. One more time, centering. This time both hands float all the way up and over just as much as you can. The hands float down to the waist as you soften. Then circle the hands in front as if you had a big ball in front of the body, coming under, back up to the heart, and down. One more time, opening the heart, rising up, softening down. This time making a diamond shape with the hands in front of the heart, and then press out, sending out all your loving kindness to the world. May all beings be free from suffering. May they be happy. May they be healthy. May they live with ease. And then turning your palms to face yourself, the hands come to the heart. May I be kind to myself. May I feel connected with all beings. May I love myself just as I am. And the hands can float down to the lower abdomen. You can step your feet together or as close as you can. You can close your eyes or keep a soft gaze, just letting your body rock and sway ever so slightly. Bamboo in the wind. Feeling the sensations in the body. Feeling the sensations of the breath. And then bring your attention into your heart, creating an inner smile, expressing gratitude to yourself for being here today. And if your eyes are closed, you can slowly open them. The hands can come together in front of the heart, and we can finish with a bow. Thank you so much for joining me for this Tai Chi Flow. Stick around for a few more moments for your poem of the day. Today's poem is called The Steady Flame. Within our hearts, a flame slowly burns, casting light where shadows turn. Through gentle moves, courage appears. Tai Chi guides us, calms our fears. Thank you so much for joining me today. Hope you enjoyed the session. Please click the link right here to watch your strength training video of the day that goes along with this class, and I'll see you over there.